電車は何分おきに来ますか？ How often do the trains come? How often do the trains come? この路線は渋谷駅を通りますか？ Does this line go through Shibuya Station? Does this line go through Shibuya Station? どのドアが開きますか？ Which door will open? Which door will open? 電車の中はとても静かでした。It was very quiet on the train. It was very quiet on the train. この電車は10分遅れています。This train is 10 minutes late. This train is 10 minutes late. 電車がすぐに来ると思います。I think the train is coming soon. I think the train is coming soon. この駅にエスカレーターはありますか？ Is there an escalator at this station? Is there an escalator at this station? 次の駅で降りましょう。Let's get off at the next station. Let's get off at the next station. 電車で電話を使ってもいいですか？ Can I use the phone on the train? Can I use the phone on the train? 電車の中から見る風景が好きです。I like the view from the train. I like the view from the train.